Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
We have 3 switches on each page: caution, screen off, and cabin status. L, remember?
Yes.
That I spoke about. This page is not serviceable for us. We are not using it. Audio. So we are working with lights, doors, temperature, and water. Same comes on the cabin status, and first 4 touch buttons are on the first level are the same. Either you can operate from this button or you can operate from the cabin status page, that aeroplane shape that comes in. Okay. So you press this or you press this, it's one the same thing. Okay. Main on, main off. The entire thing goes off. Main on, everything comes off. Dim. You look at the movement of the yellow light. It goes off. Did you see this? No. See here also. That's an indication that's on dim 2. Here, dim 2. Can you see that? Now for the cabin also. The entire cabin goes on dim 2.
Dim 2 is 10%, right?
Yeah, 10%. And the yellow. Yellow is disappeared completely. So it's on dim 2. Now we come down to the brightness. Look at the window. Look at the windows. Off.
Window off.
Okay. And look at the ceiling lights.
Off.
And reading lights set and reset. Now look at the reading lights in the cabin. This is for service purposes. All on.
Yes.
Look at it. नहीं हुआ. अब देखो. हो गया. Delayed है थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. Next page.
Reset करने से everything will be off again. Again, whoever wants
Reset
to,
is-
or
Just
whoever
yeah,
wants to use it, they can
This is
press it.
basically for maintenance purposes. It is only used on ground for by maintenance people to check the serviceability of all reading lights.
Okay.
अब इसमें से सारी जल रही हैं, उसमें जो नहीं जल रही होगी, it is easier for them to find out. ना? So basically, it is check the serviceability of the reading lights. We are not supposed to use this, but you should know the function. That is why I am briefing you. All right. This main on and off is also not for us. Next we come, and the same main on and off is here also. Same function.
Okay.
Okay. Now we come down to doors and slides. Slide disarmed, but door is closed. Amber indication. If it is disarmed and open, red. And if you have armed and closed and armed, it is green. And again, the slide is disarmed, but the door is closed. So it is amber. Very simple.
Very simple.
Very simple. Simple.
Very easy.
Temperature. If you want to adjust the temperature for the forward cabin, just press forward. Do it, Vishal.
0.5.
2.5 करना है
हाँ.
Go. 5 times you can do it ना. 2.5 तक you can go.
हाँ बस इससे ज़्यादा जाएगा
अब जाएगा ही नहीं वो. So you got the green arrow here.
Yes.
That means that is the temperature selected by you. And can you see this small line between the 2 bars? That is the temperature selected by the cockpit.
If you do the reset, then it will automatically go
Yeah.
down.
Now see when you reset, see it's gone back.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Similarly, it works for aft. You want to increase the temperature at 0.5 intervals, and it will take how long?
10
to 20 minutes to stabilize the entire cabin. Okay?
To be effective. वैसे मैम CCS याद नहीं लगा रहे थे ना फिर तो
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Water and waste. This is an acceptable quantity, waste quantity. First is the waste quantity, second is the water quantity.
75
Yeah, 100% है यहाँ पे, full है. So it is perfectly okay. Now if you have an amber light here, what does it indicate?
Flush inappropriate.
Flush.
Flash inoperative or like just maintain.
If it is maintenance, all lavatories will show amber.
Amber light.
But if it's one particular system is not working, then particular lavatory. So if all are showing amber, that means the ground serviceability or maintenance is going on for all the lavatories, right? And if one shows, that means that particular lavatory, the system is inoperative. The flush system, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The vacuum system. Now we come down to smoke detection page. This is how the page is, very clean. But if there is a smoke, what comes in? The red
Smoke detection.
and the reset button is,
Yes.
right? And if you have an amber light on the lavatory, what does that indicate?
Inoperative.
What is inoperative?
Smoke detection system.
Smoke detector, right? So now we have the same indication on both the pages. Water waste page also we have an amber colored lavatory, and smoke detection page also we have an amber color. Water and waste is showing the serviceability of the flush, the vacuum system. The smoke detection page is showing the serviceability of the smoke detector system. Clear?
Yes. If it's unserviceable, amber will come, right?
Yes, that's right. Now we come down to seat setting. Now chime inhibit. This will inhibit the chime from the call from the passenger in the cabin, not the lavatory. Just press the lavatory call.
नहीं आ रही चाहिए.
I'm pressing the.
हाँ उसमें नहीं आ रही. हाँ leave it. उसको ऑन करके छोड़ दो. Lavatory से आया है. Lavatory में chime आया है. Passenger से नहीं आया.
So lavatory
Door
का
call और lavatory. अच्छा 1 second. Now passenger से नहीं आया. ये AC पे आया है. Chime inhibit है. Remember this. This is only the chime.
Okay.
Other indications will come. AIP and ACP will come. 3 indication chime, ACP, AIP. So this is only chime inhibit.
Okay.
Now I press call reset. So all calls reset, including the lavatory. Now press the call button. 2 call buttons.
Chime is inhibited. Okay.
1 hour row.
So the call which came first is reflecting and the arrow is showing. That means there are more calls
One
to be
more.
attended. Clear?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see this? So now when I press call reset, all
reset.
calls are resetted. Now chime inhibit. Chime didn't come in that, only the indication was there. Now if I release it, it will again the chime will come. Just press the call button again, Manik.
मैम बार-बार पैसेंजर परेशान करे तो उसके लिए
एक मिनट शांत.
See, now did you hear the chime?
One left.
Now if particular row you want to inhibit the entire all indications, all indications. This was only the chime. Because it didn't chime inhibit, right? If you want to inhibit the all indications including the ACP and AIP, what you're supposed to do is press the row which you want to inhibit. Now this is 22 row, right? Seat row 22. Select. Now which number you want? What alphabet?
A, B, C.
A, B, C, D, E, F. Go on that. Supposingly D. Select. And then you have to press inhibit. It is not selected. And then inhibit. Can you?
वो उधर आ गया.
आ गया. Okay. So it will be inhibit. 1 second. I'll take a forward one. 1 second. Now you go further. Let's take the first row.
इसको reset करेंगे ना.
नहीं नहीं वो भी हो रखा
वो भी
है.
inhibit है.
सेकंड भी कर सकते हैं हम.
Right? We are on serial number 1 and then select. इधर आ गया seat row. Now you go on supposingly B. Select. Okay. Inhibit. Now press 1 bravo.
1 ब्रावो प्रेस कर.
One bravo. One bravo.
कॉल कर दबाओ मालिक.
See, nothing is coming. No indications.
AC पे भी नहीं आ रहा.
Can you see that? No indications. Now enable all. Now press 1 bravo, Manik. Now all indications have come back.
Okay, Sheetal, these are the only people left, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Aircraft is totally neat and tidy. We checked all the seatbelts.
Okay, sir.
As
Right.
soon as they're done,
We'll come down, sir. Right? Seat setting is done. This is all we have. Now reading lights. Now if there's a particular right, you want to reset. अगर वो on है तो वो off हो जाएगी. अगर वो off है तो वो on हो जाएगी. You're resetting it. So whatever position they are in, you are resetting that, right? Now we go on to the first row. First row, select. Same procedure. जैसे आपने passenger call का किया था. Now select. So serial number 1A. I am pressing set. Check on हो गई. Check on 1A everyone.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Now if I want to reset it again, I have to select it again. 1 and alpha. Select. Reset. अब off हो गई.
Oh yes.
So it was on तो वो off हो गई. अगर वो off थी तो वो on हो गई. So you are resetting. Resetting whatever position that was. Okay. Now we come down to system info. What do we check?
System okay, CIDS and ice protection.
System okay for CIDS, ice protection, brain
Brain
mask
mask
okay.
okay, okay.
Perfect. All right. Now second level, which is the key that we use.
FAB setup.
Do it. What do we do in the FAP?
We check the brightness.
Brightness already 100%. Can you see the brightness of the screen? It's going down. Now check the touch screen click. Touch screen click. Only 2 buttons we were supposed to use, nothing else. Now do you press any other button? Touch any here. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Now go back to that FAP setup. Now put it off. Now, can you hear the sound? No.
Tak tak tak.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is an FAP setup on the second level.
Slot.
Second level is level 1 and level 2. Right? 9 on first level and 9 on second level. Now we come to the sub panel. Everyone look at the emergency lights, okay? This is the button in the normal position. When you push it, see the emergency lights?
Yes.
Can everyone see the ceiling lights?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, door pressure light, exit lights, exit markers. Look at exit markers, green there.
Floor proximity.
Floor proximity will not come on with this. वो तो other में आएगी. तेरे में आएगी. It is not powered by EPS. Now when you press this emergency light button, what happens? This integral light comes on. This integral light comes on. That means
EPS is working.
नॉर्मल पावर पे चल रहा है
aircraft power. And if you press this and this light does not come on, that means APS power. So you have to discontinue your checks and wait for the normal power to come in. Lab maintenance is for the purpose of if you want to work in the lavatory, you have to have brightness of 100%. Right? Now look at the movement here. हो गया 100%. Otherwise, in a normal condition, when you lock the door, then only it comes on to 100%. But if you want to do a maintenance work and you want 100% brightness, the engineers, they have to press this button. Okay. And whichever push button on the sub panel is pressed, it will come green. It illuminates green. Otherwise, it is amber. So you can figure out which is active and which is not. We don't have PED power also on this. Otherwise, it is idly here. Okay. Now screen off.
For 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Press it again. It is discontinued.
yes.
The command gets discontinued. Now everybody watch the evac command. Oh, I'm sorry. See the green light on evac command.
Yes, ma'am.
And evac reset is flashing.
Evacuation alert.
Evacuation alarm.
Now I'll press the reset button.
यही दबा देंगे दोबारा से.
The tone in the cockpit is coming, but in this area it is resetted. Now I'll reset the command. Okay. All indications gone.
Yes.
Clear? Smoke reset is.
ये इवेक कमांड मैंने यहाँ से इनिशिएट किया तो वहाँ से पीछे से अगर उसको रिसेट करेंगे तो ये तब भी चला जाएगा. पीछे से होगा ही
तो नहीं जाएगी ना सिर्फ. पूरी कमांड थोड़ी जाएगी.
कमांड
कमांड से यहीं से जहाँ से इनिशिएट हुई है वहीं से.
रिसेट होगी ना और कैसे ही होगी.
कॉकपिट की नहीं गई. अच्छा कॉकपिट डोर बंद करना विशाल थोड़ा सा. आई विल टेल यू.
थोड़ा सा करिए.
वो बैठे हुए हैं ना अंदर.
है कोई अंदर?
हाँ. ओके.
तो पूरा कर दे.
ठीक है. तो टोन इज रिंगिंग. गई. नाउ कैन यू फील द डिफरेंस? कॉकपिट में बज रहा है और पीछे बज रहा है. यहाँ नहीं बज रहा है. It has been reset.
Reset to only for a respective area.
Yes, evac is respective, lab is any. लैब आप कहीं से भी रीसेट कर सकते हो. Evacuation is respective.
मैम यहाँ पे और एक बटन होता है ना वो कौन सा था?
PED power. PED.
और जे क्लास.
SC ABC में नहीं है.
जे क्लास के लिए ना.
हाँ, इसमें J class ही नहीं है ना. So this is all about FAP. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Interphone. Now if you have to make a announcement, press PA. PA and PTT. Hello, mic check. Can you hear it?
यस
That is for intercommunication, right? ये आपको